Hello friend, this is Sujoy and I am going to review my recently purchased laptop HP B102 TU 13 inch. So this is the laptop and you can see that this laptop has a matte finish, and as compared to my old laptop Compact Presto B1900 12.1 inch screen, it has got a glossy finish. So my first disappointment after purchasing this laptop is the kind of display when I turned it on. Never purchase a laptop which has a matte finish, and I'm going to show you in a short while when I turn it on. And my second disappointment was the keyboard. It's kind of slippery. So this keyboard has got a matte finish, and you can see my old laptop, 7 years old, and this keyboard has glossy finish, and it's not too slippery. It has a very good grip actually, and you can see the keys. These keys are quite elevated in the middle, and these keys are quite bigger as compared to uh, the keys of this laptop HP that I purchased. And this was my second disappointment. So when I was going to when I was practicing typing, so these keys were quite slippery. And you can see this USB port here. So there are two USB ports, and these USB ports are so close to each other that at a time you can only plug in one device. And you can see this charger here. So this charger is pretty loose, I don't know why. So you can see I have plugged in properly. I will show you once again. Yet you can see that it is pretty loose, and this type of arrangement makes it a bit uncomfortable actually. So I will show you how. So suppose if I plug in a particular device here, if I pick up this laptop, can you please hold it for me? So when I pick up this laptop and plug it here, and suppose I try to keep it here, so what happens is that this portion exerts pressure on this device. So this could damage the device, because the weight of the entire laptop falls on this device. So this arrangement is quite uncomfortable. And another thing about this laptop is that there is no separate keys for left and right mouse click, whereas you can see my old laptop, there are separate keys, and these keys are quite easy to press. And if you try to press it here, this has got integrated keys. If you try to press it here, you have to press it pretty hard actually, quite uncomfortable. And it has got another disadvantage, is that it could mingle up with other activities, like if you want to select pressing the left mouse button. So this has got some technical difficulties. So I'll show you once I turn on this laptop. So let me turn on the laptop now. Can you hear the sound? So I got very disappointed when I first heard this sound actually. So this is a typical sound which we used to hear in desktop computers of 1990s. When the CPU used to boot, so it used to emit this kind of sound. For a laptop to emit such kind of sound is quite weird actually. So I had also contacted HP Help Center, and I don't know what resolution would they provide, for this. And as you can see here, so when I move the mouse, the cursor also moves, here, but there are certain portion on the trackpad, for which the mouse doesn't move actually. So if I happen to swipe my finger from this portion and I am moving this finger, but you can see this mouse pointer is not moving. So this is yet another defect. And there are certain defects on particular key combinations. So suppose if I happen to type the word VB, VB stands for Visual Basic, so it is typing perfectly. I am typing VB, but when I try to type VB by pressing the shift key, the B happens to slip out. Can you please hold this one? Hold it here. See, I am typing VB by pressing the shift key. So the B fails to print. So I have to type it very slow in order to type VB by pressing the shift key. So certain key combination doesn't work while I press the shift key. And last but not the least, the quality of webcam is not too good. So my recommendation to you would be like, if you decide to purchase a HP laptop, think twice, because I purchased this laptop for 38,000 and I might have to pay 3,000 extra for extending the warranty from 1 year to 3 year. And within the same price you can purchase a 14-inch laptop of Lenovo, which has got a folding monitor and backlight, and comes packed with many other features. So and it also has got a glossy finish monitor. So another thing which I wanted to show you is that, so if a laptop monitor has got matte finish, so if you try to see it from an angle, you can see that it appears darker, but this effect is very faint if you purchase a glossy finish screen. So that is the difference between a matte finish and a glossy finish. So within the same range you can purchase a Lenovo laptop which has got a glossy finish, and it has got a folding screen and backlight and many other features. So that was my review of HP B102 TU laptop. I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching.